Squarespace. Squarespace always changes. Here in the UK, we have a well-known saying concerning something that is always in flux. Well, this old adage works seamlessly with what I'm about to tell you. Creating a course for Squarespace is like painting the Forth Bridge. You see, the Scottish-based Forth Bridge is so long that once the painters reach one end, they have to begin again right at the start. It's a process without an endpoint. In the first 3 years of this course, we have witnessed the version upgrade to Squarespace 7.1, the launch of a new Squarespace email campaign service, the introduction of new design features, for example lists. There has been the launch of a new membership platform and a new subscription service. Then last, but certainly not least, the rollout of the highly impressive Fluid engine, which has changed everything. This alone can sound overwhelming, but don't panic. We have tapped into our 20 years of web design and creative agency experience, pooling together our favorite processes, hacks and tips to ensure your Squarespace website is launched on rocket fuel. Once again, we have dusted ourselves off, taken on board valuable feedback from students, and revamped this course to cope with the ever-changing world of Squarespace. And boy, are we excited to show you what we have in store. Our team here at Pixelhaze Studio are specialists in creating high-performance, beautiful, professional websites at a fiercely competitive price. We offer our clients a range of approaches mapped out along our favorite sliding scale. At one end, we have students shouting, "Teach me, coach me, and I will take it from here." At the other end, we have the exasperating cry of, "Just get the damn thing done so I can get on with my life." As you are looking at this Box of Tricks course, we're going to guess that you are leaning towards the teach me end of the scale. My name is Elwyn Davis, and I have been building thousands of websites for micro businesses through to blue chip multinationals since the mid-1990s. And I'll be on hand to help you at each step of the way through your very own Squarespace journey. Now let's have a look at what we have done to revamp the course ready for 2023 and beyond.